These are the Klenk 2-in-1 wire cutter and wire stripper. This is for gauges from 26 gauge down to 16 gauge wire. Generally, I do a lot of guitar wiring, and somebody turned me on to these because usually guitar wires are using around 22 gauge. But these things are really cool, and they're pretty durable. I've had these for a long time, and they're holding up really well. Pretty awesome. It's got the different features on here. Obviously, you can use these as a cutter here and a stripper here, and it's so easy to use. I use it on solid core like this and on braided cord wire, you know, like this. So let's cut these out of the way, and I'll show you. Obviously, you can see it cuts really well, really easy on the stuff that it's supposed to cut on, the gauges it's supposed to cut on. And when you want to strip the wire, this is the braided one right here. You basically just stick it in here, pull it, you're done. That's it. Here's the solid core. Bam, just like that. Nothing torn off, nothing. Just a perfect cut on there every time. Yeah, I absolutely love these things. I use them all the time, and they're so darn convenient. Klenk 2-in-1 wire cutter and wire stripper.